welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick protective style that didn't really require too much. I only plan on leaving it in for about a couple of days, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll want to get some braiding hair, cream. Alright, so my hair is already detangled. So I only have water and oil in my hair right now. So we'll just start off by parting the hair in the front. So we're just gonna part the top, and we're going to do braids going back. Because my hair is long and we're trying to achieve the bang look, I wanted to braid the hair going back so I don't have to cut my hair to do this look. So the braids that you're gonna do is not too big, not too small. You want to braid them at least 1 inch apart. For this part, when we're doing the braid, you'll want to use your styling cream. So you can use whatever styling cream you want. So for this part, you can decide if you just want to do one ponytail or two. I decided to do two pigtails. So it's up to you what you prefer. So with the braiding hair, you actually don't need a particular brand. You can use whichever one you want. I just happen to have this, so I'm using the pre-stretch brand. But you'll want to either plait it down or twist it down. It really doesn't matter, but the size does matter when we put in the beads.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing.
So, remember I said the size does matter. So, for this one, I struggled with it a little bit because the braid, the plait was too big for the bead. So, I had to cut the hair to make it thin. So I had to thin it out a little bit.
Whenever you call, when I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm, when we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back, kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call but don't call back, let them call but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever.
So I figured out that just making the hole bigger in the bead makes it a whole lot more easier than having to thin out each plait. So that worked out.
I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Here's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. You guys can change it to however you want it, do it. I went ahead and incorporate these longer pieces. So I hope you guys like it. Go ahead and comment down below if you like it or other hairstyles to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.